Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the channel where we learn MS Excel from the very basics. We'll continue our learning in the VLOOKUP formula as we have done in the prior videos. So in the prior video, you have seen that we have used the same Excel and used the VLOOKUP formula in the E column to get the price over year based on the price which is present at my source data Excel worksheet. Now here I have added two more columns in the source data Excel worksheet for our better understanding of the formula. Now if I come to the sales Excel worksheet, here I want to get the price at the E column, and in the prior video you have seen that we have used the VLOOKUP formula and got the result. But priorly, while using the VLOOKUP formula, we have given the selection for the table array. That is, we have used is equal to VLOOKUP, given the reference to the product, comma, the table array, we have selected it from here till the end, given comma. Now my price is present at the fourth column. I have pressed 4, again press comma, and I have given false as the reference, and I press enter, and I am getting the result. But in today's video, we will not be giving the reference to this source data A2 to D7. Rather, we will be using another trick in VLOOKUP so that the formula gets simpler for you. Here we would be naming the table by some name, and we will be giving the table array as the reference to that table. If you have seen the prior videos which I have uploaded, there I have mentioned how can we create or name any table in MS Excel. We will be using the same concept and doing the VLOOKUP formula in today's video. Make sure to watch the video till the very end so that you understand this formula end to end, and it will be useful for you. To name the table or give the table a name, first we have to go to the data where we want to name the following as a table. Over here, I want to name this table from my first product name till the last product name, including all the values. I select it, then I come over here in the name box, I click over there and name it as table and press enter. Now this is done. Naming a table is done. Now the next step is I go to my sales Excel worksheet. I simply remove this formula and I again insert a VLOOKUP formula. But this time I will not be giving the reference by going there and selecting the following table. Rather, I will be giving the reference to that table. I'll give is equal to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is my product. I press comma. Now I simply type table, and you see that over there table appears. I press tab. Now my price was present at the fourth column of that table, so I press 4. I want the exact match, so I enter false and press enter. Now I don't have to give the absolute reference. Rather, I have to just come over here and select from the first cell till the very end and press Ctrl D, and done. I am getting the result over here. As you can see, by using this formula, we could get the result which was same by using the formula which we have used in the prior video. You can use the VLOOKUP formula in both the ways, but this way is more satisfying and more easy, as we have to just name the table and give the reference it over here. So this was it for today. I'll be coming up with more formulas, more functions which we could use in Excel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I come up with new videos, you can watch it and learn it. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, have a good day and keep smiling.